Okay, so based on my last video, a clip from this podcast that I did, is $8,000 enough money to pretty much live the kind of life that you want to live? Let's go through the entire breakdown. And mind you, $8,000 is the average fresh out of college salary. And is this a good thing or is it a bad thing? Okay, so factor in now, 12 months. You're only making $6,660 a month, and that's not even including taxes yet. So you have rent, average $2,700, you're down to $3,900. A nice car, BMW, Benz, that kind of thing, around $750 average car payment. Now you're down to $3,200 a month. Then you have insurance, that part in, $300 a month easily. Now you're down to $2,900. Then you have a nice phone bill, a nice phone, that brand new iPhone that you want. Now you're down to $2,800 a month. Then you have water and electric. That's a must. All right. Average $400. Now you're down to $2,400 a month. Then you got to factor in these gas prices. It's getting pretty expensive. $250 a month average. Now you're down to $2,150 a month. Then you got to add in food and groceries. You got to eat every month, every single day. So that's like about $1,000 a month. Things are getting more expensive within the United States. So we got to take that into consideration. Now we're down to $1,150 a month. Then you got to factor in your random outings with your friends, $600. Now all you have left over is $550 left after all those monthly expenses. So this comes to say you have to add multiple streams of income as much as possible because it sucks when you're depending on one stream of income